And Mr. King, guys, right here. Mr. Tyson, right here, sir.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Whenever Steve gets himself together, someplace here with the podium is like Steve.
Take that light off a little bit.
It's very nice.
Is she moving? Chelsea? Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
It's a very humbling experience. I feel thrilled about it. You know, rarely do you get the rewards of what you do, but you always get whatever you've done wrong. And so this has been a sensational thing for me and all the people that are here that are also being inducted into the Hall of Fame, Bobby Ram, Stig Rogage, and the fighters, of course. But it was a long journey, you know, no, you can't. So I'm very happy and very appreciative, deeply humbled to be here. Mayor Oscar Goodman, you know what I mean? All of these people that played a contributing part for a positive result in the great state of Nevada.
Being inducted.
Well, I think it's great. You know, Don and I are responsible for so many great events in Las Vegas, all those fantastic fights at the outdoor stadium in Caesars. So it's really, really very fulfilling to be inducted. Well, it's great because so many terrific people either promoted here or managed here or fought here or trained here. I mean, this is really where the cradle of boxing in modern times has been.
Long time overdue. This is the mecca of boxing. This is where my most defining fights were, and this was like my second home. And to be here, to be addressed or acknowledged in such an incredible way, I'm very humbled by that. Whenever I fought here, it was always a big thing, and I treasure those moments.
Boxing Hall of Fame.
It's unbelievable. It's great. You know, Vegas is the capital of boxing. It's boxing town. This is where the Hall of Fame really belongs, actually. So you know, it's the biggest venue for all the biggest fights, and just the group that we're going in with. It's just it's unbelievable just to be here with this group of fighters.
Well, I tell you what, this is special for me. My whole boxing career has been special for me because what I did was go and try to make something out of my life, out of myself. And that's why boxing came in, played a very important role. You know, I was athletic inclined. I played the basketball, the footballs and stuff, but boxing was the game for me. And I found that itch, and I stuck with it, and I dedicated, disciplining myself, and stayed away from all the other stuff that I was getting into before I got into boxing.
I never in a million years anticipated I would receive an award for being a great resident of, I guess, Las Vegas. I'm just really grateful. That's how I don't know how to convey, but I'm conveying gratitude. I'm just really grateful.
But it's really special to me. I really appreciate and really value my career, because I look back on it now because of where I am in my life. And it's not just age, but it's just where I am in my life now. I've had a chance to breathe.
It's unbelievable, especially for me. I'm in such awe and so overwhelmed by this, but it's a great night. This is still the boxing capital of the world, and to have this is the first Hall of Fame, it's very exciting.